In this video, I want to show you how you can build a Google Analytics report inside your Lovable dashboard. So all you got to do, it's really simple, really easy, is you just go install Google Analytics into your app. So very easy to do that. All you have to do is go to your Google Analytics account. And then once you're in there, you're going to grab the tag for installation and you're going to paste it into the chat. And you literally just say, add this to my website. And then it will add to your website, it will confirm, and then you can go through the steps to just verify that the tag has been added to Google Analytics. Very easy to do, super, super simple. Now, if you want to set up a dashboard to view your analytics data, you go to Looker Studio, which is part of Google. You then choose one of these templates. So in this case, I'm just going to choose a GA4 report. But if you have a company that you're white labeling, you have a company that has clients and you want to show them a dashboard, you can use this one. But in this case, I'm just going to show a GA4 report. I'm then going to see the template here, which is going to be created. And then I'm going to select the property that I want to see data for. In this case, it's for AI Exit Club. And then it will show me the data on this page for the campaign. So everything is now connected. I can see information like device category, countries, etc., all lined up here. Top traffic sources, events, etc. Also conversions and top pages, and e-commerce as well. And in my case, what's also cool, and I talk about this in other videos if you want to check them out, is that you can set up custom events to be tracked within Lovable. So in this case, there's A/B test assignment, form start, for instance. These are actually events that I created inside Lovable. And so I set up these events to essentially spit out data to Google Analytics every time it runs real-time information, and then it sends that to the Looker data through Google Analytics. Then you can just name this. So in my case, I'm just going to give this a name. I'll just call it edit and share. You agree to the terms. You just do your, United States for my case, and then I'll just do this is my company, and then I will hit continue. Don't want any tips, recommendations, none of that, and just move on to the next step. Hit continue, and then you should be good to go. It's going to ask me to choose an account for this, and then it's all synced up. From here, you can then edit the name of the report if you'd like. So you just go edit. You can change the report name. So in this case, I'm just going to say AI Exit Club Google Analytics Dashboard. And then if I want to, I can share this too with people. So I can make it restricted, or I can share it specifically with specific members who then can view this dashboard as well. If I want to view it, again, all I need to do is select the data. I do believe that they need to have access to this data as well. So they might need to be added as a user in order for this to occur. Point is, it gives you a lot of information just right off the bat if you want to use it. I think it is cool to also try this one too. But if you want to try something with Lovable and show more of this as like a client, if you're a service, like a marketing agency, you can then do the same thing. Just connect to the default. I think actually this one may not work as well as I thought it would. But point is, GA4 report, use that, share that with people. That's how you connect with Lovable with Google Analytics to show and display your data without having to give somebody access to your Google Analytics account. Hope this helps. Thanks.